Hello guys, I hope you're well. So today we're looking at Urdu once again, and as we've mentioned previously, mujhe is indicating I or myself, buk is to do with hunger or eating, and hai is to do with yourself. So it's pronounced mujhe buk lagi hai. So I like coffee. We've discussed previously, if you have a liking towards something, generally it's mujhe, not me. Let's say I want to go outside. Whenever you want to go somewhere, in Urdu you're using me. If you like something, it will be mujhe. So mi bahar jana chahta ho, and this is very, very important. So I like studying culture. मुझे सकाफ़े का मताला करना पसंद है. So matala'a is to do with explore. It means exploring in Arabic. Thaqafa is knowledge or education. So मुझे thaqafa ke matala'a karna pasand hai. And the good thing of learning languages is a lot of languages overlap. So for example, in Spanish or Espanol, the way they pronounce Spain is like España or España. And in Arabic, we pronounce it the same way. So España, España, however you want to say it. And yeah, so thank you for listening, for example. How would I say that? Sanani ke liya aapka shukriya. And so shukriya is basically the same in Arabic, but we say shukran. Rather than shukriya, we say shukran. Or bahad shukriya would be shukran jazilan, right? So let's just recap some phrases we know. So Assalamu alaikum, aap kya hai? If I'm speaking to you guys, you would respond me tiko, me khushi hoi if you are good. Then I would be like mera naam el teacher and etc. Then essentially depends on what you want to speak about really. So you could say, if I want to say I like you, I would say mujhe bahut pasand hai. So I like you a lot, or mujhe pasand hai. You could say and yeah, that's kind of it for now. Now if you want to say your farewells, you would be like Khuda Hafiz, Allah Hafiz. You could say thank you very much, Bahad Shukriya. Also don't forget, if you want to add a respectful kind of an element of respect, you could say Janab or Sab Bye. And thank you so much guys, and take care.